So we're here at LTE World Summit with Pierre, Francois, Dubois from Orange. Good to see you. Now I know that Orange has been doing a lot of work with the connected home with your MyPlug product. I was wondering why, as an operator, are you so interested in this particular area at the moment?
Okay, well, so far, like most operators, we've connected people, so we want to be part of this new area of growth, which is connecting objects. And obviously, as a mobile operator, connecting objects through the mobile network is quite important for us, and we believe that it's going to be a source of revenue in the future.
So how are these objects going to connect? I mean, are we looking at your 4G networks or even 5G networks coming down the line?
Okay, so most of the objects that we're connecting right now, or which needs connection, don't need a lot of data. We are, for example, talking of a smoke detector or an alarm for power outage at home, or to turn on or turn off a device from a distance. This is really simple to carry out through an SMS. So 2G will probably suit 90% of the needs, and 4G can be relevant if you embed video, or when you have a camera, for example. That's probably relevant, but that's not the main applications that we have in mind for the moment.
Mm-hmm. You've mentioned SMS already. Are there other types of technologies that will help these devices to connect?
Of course, GPRS can make it, of course, so it's quite an alternative, and we use both for at least for the mobile network. Mm-hmm. And as I said previously, we want as much as possible to connect these devices through, not all of them because that would be too many, but through mobile network one way or the other, because it's probably the most secure and the most relevant network to carry and to connect these objects to for the customer.
Mm-hmm. Unsurprisingly, Apple and Google have both been eyeing this area with interest.
That's true.
How, as a mobile operator, can you protect yourselves from these companies sweeping in and wreaking havoc?
I think that these players are in the usual battlefield, which is device manufacturer, grow their ecosystem, leverage network at the LAN level, local area network level, so Bluetooth, low energy, things like that, or they are in the big data space. Probably Google wants to load their systems with more data and with these objects. We are in a different stories. We, as telcos, what we want to promote is our network, obviously. So the 2G, 4G in the future, and we are more trying to understand if there is a competition in this space with players that are not at all telcos right now, but mm-hmm. want to address this space. So there are some interesting technology in this area which we are looking at, but these are the real competitors on our side.
Is it the threat of competition from non-telco players that is the biggest challenge for an operator to be successful in this space, or are there other challenges that you need to overcome?
Well, as usual, the main challenge is the customer experience and how the customer is going to understand what we're trying to sell him, how he's going to use him, what will be his customer journey from discovery to full use of the service. So we want to keep things simple, and I think it's really the first challenge that we have to address. Connected objects is something which is really starting now, so there is probably food for everybody, if I may say. So let's try and make the best food for the customer, so that he can understand exactly what we are trying to sell him.
Excellent. Pierre, Francois, Dubois, thanks very much.
You're welcome.